Let's try deer meat. I've never tried deer before. I believe this is a fallow deer. I really just want to see what it tastes like by itself. I'm not going to marinate it a whole lot. I'm just going to get some salt on this, put this on a hot cast iron skillet and get each side a bit crusty with an internal temp of maybe like medium rare, I guess. Maybe a bit rare, medium rare. Let's see how it goes. And they both look very lean. There's not a lot of fat going through the meat. Oh, that's juicy. It's almost like beef. It's not really like lamb, although it may have some of the smell or that scent of gaminess that lamb sometimes has, but taste-wise it's very similar to a cut of beef steak. If you were to have blindfolded me and gave me this, I would have just thought it was some sort of steak. It's very lean, not a lot of fat. Nice and tender. I don't know what to say. This honestly is very similar to beef. It's good. I don't know what to rate this because again, I like beef. I don't think you can rate beef. It's top tier. I think deer is on the same level as beef. I guess it depends on the type of cut you get from the deer. These ones are quite similar to beef. If you guys have any experience in cooking deer, let me know because I got some other cuts that I'm thinking about cooking with. So let me know in the comments of what you think I should make.